Hey, welcome back, my fellow humble investors. It's me, ET, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about great companies. In particular, I love talking about Humbl. Now, today's video, we're going to go over the big news that happened last week, which was Rob Luna's visit to the Humbl's headquarters. But also, we're going to take a look real quick at the announcement that Brian Foote made about signing an agreement with iHeartMedia. So looking forward to that. And also we're going to take a look at the price action for last week. So let's get to it. Let's do it. Looks like Rob had a great visit at the Humbl's headquarters. Let's see what he had to say on Fox News.
And I want to hit you both 30 seconds on something specific. Rob, I was interviewing the CEO of Humbl, the mobile pay company, and not long ago you were on that same show. Turns out you went to visit the company. Tell us what you saw.
Yeah, I mean, talk about an underdog, Lou, saying, I mean, this is a tremendous underdog, but you look at their idea, Charles, this is $1 trillion idea, right? They're looking to take blockchain, all the verticals within it, buying tickets, NFTs, real estate, everything that's within there. They're looking to put it in an app and deliver that to their consumer. Look, it's a big vision and mission. What I really like about this company, Charles, though, is this idea is something everyone wants. But traditionally, this is only meant for high net worth investors. Brian Foote and his team is trying to give access to the individual investor, a narrative that we're all talking here. What I want to caution people, though, is understand this is early stage. Give the company time. I really like what the team's doing. There's some key things that they need to come out, perform on, but this is a company you want to take a look at.
Loved it. All right, let's take a look at the price action for last week. Oh, before we do that, here's a copy of the tweet from Brian Foote announcing Humbl signing a podcast deal with iHeartMedia. That's great news. Just another layer of awareness. Great news for the company. Let's take a look at the price action. All right, on Friday, we opened at $1.22, closed at $1.29.5. Here you can take a look at the 5-day chart, but let's take a look at the volume for Friday. As you can see, on Friday, we had a volume of 6.8 million. The 10-day average was 9.9 million, so the volume was down for Friday. As you can see, we have a declining 5-day chart for last week. This will be the third week in a row. Here we have a side by side of Humbl and Forwardly. And let's take a look at the short interest here. On Friday, the short volume ratio was at 52, might as well just say 53%. If you notice, the thick black line is at 20%. Anything above 20% is considered high short volume. So we've been sitting above that 20% line for quite some time. And I think that one of the main reasons why the short volume is so much is because we're getting a lot of publicity. People know who we are. If you take a look at this next chart here from the lion.com, it shows the 50 most search stocks within the last 72 hours. We have consistently, over the course of the last 4 months, been within the top 10. Last week we went to number 5. Now we're back at number 1. So I think that as long as we're here, the shorts are going to be there. This is my current position in Humbl and also Forwardly. Humbl right now, as you can see, I'm down 44%, and in Forwardly, I'm down 24%. Bottom line, regardless of that, I'm going to have those diamond hands. I'm hanging on. I'm not selling. I will continue to buy as long as it's below my cost basis. And as you can see for last week, I did pick up about 100 shares of Humbl and 400 shares of Forwardly. I think I'm going to definitely up those numbers this coming week. Here is the account summary for my Humbl Financial ETX. I'm in block 3 and block 5. Total invested was $1,000, $331 in block 3. The rest was in block 5. And as you can see, block 3, I'm down 30%. Block 5, I'm down 26%. Let's take a look at the weekly action for this ETX. Okay, with the weekly, as you can see, my initial investment of $1,000 is now worth $717.34. I am down 28% on my initial investment of $1,000.
Come on now. That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks.